Yo, 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 what it do, family? We on the move, y'all. You already know what to do. If it is your first time, do me a favor and tell a friend to tell a friend. Meet us at 10. I want to jump right into the topic today. We are talking about Flight Club New York. That's right, man. Those What the Ducks. They are the dunks that is inspired by Oregon. Yes, University of Oregon, the Ducks. That's where it all started for Nike. That's the reason why I got this LeBron in my hand. Nike is the king of shoes when it comes to the OG market. So those shoes were set to drop. But when they did, they had to close down Fight Club. The reason why is because it was too much. Look at the pandemonium from that last video I just showed y'all. That stuff is wild. They had people throwing people in the line trying to get into the front of the building. They wanted to bypass security, and then New York Police Department had to come out. I mean, it was thousands of people lining up to try to get those dunks. That's right, man. Whenever you have a college themed dunk, those shoes are going to be grailed. Any type of college themed Nike, any type of college themed Jordan, you already know they consider it a player edition, and it's going to be hard to get your hands on it. So you see those lines were going crazy. People were throwing away their wristbands because of how mad they were. They were standing in line for hours, lined up, gang. Man, how would y'all feel lining up for a shoe and then you get turned around after hours or even camping out overnight for them, man? Jeez, they were going crazy. It was pandemonium and chaos all in front of the store. Store owners had to try to control the chaos, but they had to get the authorities involved. So, with that type of pandemonium, do you think they need to just go straight to online drops? Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. Do you think that those shoes, those dunks, was really worth all of that chaos? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. You already know what to do. If you like that video and you found entertainment, hit that sub button on the way out and that like button. We out. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.